welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. In today's video, you're gonna find out a really solid way to get rid of those dark circles you have underneath your eyes. And you will find out if this CeraVe under eye cream is for you or not. And if you guys stick to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a glimpse as to what product we will be talking about next week. So be sure to stick to the end. With that being said, let's jump into the cost and size of this under eye cream. So this will set you back 10 to 12 bucks depending on where you pick it up, and you get 0.5 ounces of product. I myself picked it up on Amazon. I'll leave that link below in the description. Check it out if you want to pick this up. Before we jump into the quality, I just wanted to mention I am now on TikTok and Instagram. So please check me out on both of those. Follow me. I'm dropping tips and tricks, reviews, brand battles, all types of men's grooming videos for you guys. So links will be down in the description for all that. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, like the video, comment, all that good stuff. It's greatly appreciated. Let's jump into the quality of this CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. So we're gonna do this in 3 different categories. We're gonna talk about key ingredients, we're gonna talk about the texture and the greasiness, and we're gonna talk about the longevity of this stuff as well. So key ingredients I'm gonna list over here. Check those out because they are highly, highly important, especially with an under eye cream. Pause the video if you need to. Let's go from key ingredients into the texture and the greasiness. So this is definitely a non-greasy cream, under eye cream for you guys. If you're familiar with the channel at all, I personally have greasy skin, so the last thing I want is something to make it worse. And this definitely did not. Once you apply, rub it in, good to go. Don't gotta worry about none of that oily stuff. So solid there. Let's go from texture and greasiness into longevity. So longevity, I will mention you do apply this stuff twice a day, morning and night. So it actually gets you through the whole entire day until that second application at night. So it's really awesome. This stuff has this, they call it MVE technology. And basically what it is, it's like a time release thing where it kind of will release ceramides into your skin just to kind of re-moisturize throughout the day. So that's where the longevity kind of comes into play. So awesome technology they got with this stuff. So definitely solid eye cream. So anyway, with that being said, let's jump into who is this CeraVe under eye cream for. Anybody that struggles with dark circles like I do, as well as anyone that doesn't want to pay a pretty penny for an under eye cream, because a lot of times anything to do with your skin, it can get really costly, you know, and that's the last thing you want to do is spend an arm and a leg on something that you don't really know if it's going to work or not. So 10 to 12 bucks, you're getting 0.5 ounces, which is, you know, plenty, especially when you use a tiny bit, you know, every day. So it's not a big deal. But if that is you, or I just described you, definitely pick this guy up. That is the review. I appreciate you guys watching. My name is Adrian. Until next time, I'm out.